Are you ready to unlock the secrets to selling successfully on OfferUp? Gaining expertise with this platform will assist you in reaching a larger audience and completing sales more quickly. Whether your goal is to clear out your house or launch an online company, in today's video, I'll share the proven steps that will help you create standout listings, price your items competitively, and handle transactions with confidence. If you're serious about making sales, this guide will equip you with the strategies you need to succeed. In this video, I'll show you how to best sell on OfferUp and turn your listings into profitable deals. So, step 1. Create an attractive listing. The foundation of a successful sale on OfferUp starts with creating an attractive listing. The first aspect you need to focus on is the title of your listing. Ensure it is descriptive and includes relevant keywords that buyers are likely to search for. For example, instead of simply writing laptop, you can title your listing Dell Inspiron 15.6-inch laptop. Excellent condition. This strategy helps potential buyers find your item quickly. The next important factor is the description. Be as detailed as possible by providing all necessary information about the item. Mention its condition, any included accessories, and why you're selling it. Always use clear professional language and avoid overly technical jargon. High quality images are also crucial, by the way, so upload multiple photos that showcase the item from various angles. Ensure that the lighting is adequate and that the product is the main focus in each image. Step 2. Set a competitive price. Pricing your item correctly is essential to attracting buyers while still maximizing your profit. Begin by examining comparable items on OfferUp and other platforms to determine their selling prices. Consider the condition of your item when determining its price. If your item's in excellent condition or comes with additional accessories, you may be able to charge a little bit more. To encourage a faster sale, consider setting a price slightly lower than the competition. OfferUp allows for negotiation, so anticipate potential buyers making offers below your asking price. Setting a fair initial price will increase the likelihood of receiving offers and completing the sale quickly. Step 3. Communicate effectively with buyers. Effective communication with potential buyers is key to ensuring a smooth transaction. Always respond promptly to inquiries, as delays can lead to the buyer losing interest or finding an alternative seller. Be polite and professional in all your responses. If a buyer requests additional information or photos, provide them as quickly as possible. Negotiation is common on OfferUp, so be open to discussing the price and finding a middle ground that satisfies both you and the buyer. However, do not feel pressured to accept lowball offers. Stand firm if you believe your price is fair, but remain respectful during the negotiation process. Step 4. Meet safely and securely. OfferUp emphasizes local buying and selling, which means you will often meet buyers in person to complete transactions. Safety should always be the top priority here. Always arrange to meet in a public location, such as a coffee shop or a designated community exchange zone. Many police stations offer safe exchange areas specifically for online transactions. Before the meeting, confirm all details with the buyer, including the time, location, and payment method. While cash is the preferred method, if you accept electronic payments, make sure to complete the transfer before you hand over the item. Always trust your instincts. If something feels off about the transaction, do not proceed. Step 5. Complete the transaction and leave a review. Once the transaction is complete, both the buyer and seller have the opportunity to leave a review. OfferUp's rating system allows other users to see your trustworthiness as a seller, so providing excellent service is important. Be sure to leave an honest review of the buyer as well. Positive reviews build credibility and increase the likelihood of future sales. If you experience any issues during the transaction, OfferUp provides resources for reporting problems or disputes. In all transactions, the platform values integrity and transparency, so follow up with buyer concerns. So in conclusion, selling on OfferUp can be a rewarding experience if you follow the best practices outlined in this video. By creating an attractive listing, setting a competitive price, communicating effectively, meeting safely, and leaving reviews, you can maximize your success as a seller. Remember, consistency and professionalism are key to building a positive reputation and attracting more buyers over time. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to succeed in online selling. Good luck with your sales on OfferUp. Bye!